My name is Kalpesh Anandago, and I joined the eVision 45 Days internship program, which turned out to be a very valuable and enriching learning experience. During this internship, I gained strong practical knowledge in Windows administration, Active Directory, ITIL fundamentals, and CCNA basics, along with hand on exposure to real time IT support scenarios. The program also include mock interviews and soft skill training, which help me improve my communication skill, boost my confidence, and prepare effectively for real interview situation. The trainers were supportive and explained concept in a clear and practical manner, making learning easy even for beginners. With the guidance and continued support from my recruiter Deepthi, I successfully got placed as an desktop support engineer in Saxsoft Limited. This opportunity gave me a strong start to my IT career and helped me step into the industry with confidence and real world exposure. Overall, eVision is excellent platform for freshers to build technical skills, gain hand-on experience and proper placement support. Thank you.